Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good Thursday morning and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We're here in the final days of putting together the CEE real estate guide, Europa Property Real Estate Guide for MIPIM and extensive distribution. We're media partner once again this year, international media partner for Central Eastern Europe and Southeastern Europe. We have a stand at P-1 H75, and we'll be having a cocktail party on our Europa Property stand on the second day of MIPIM at 3 o'clock. So definitely pop along to that. If you can shoot us a message and just RSVP you're coming, that would be great. If not, definitely if you're walking by, stop in and see us. A lot going on, Winston. I imagine you're pretty busy here with the final little changes to the magazine.
Yeah, and I've got to say, it's a cocktail party on Wednesday afternoon at MIPIM. It's going to be an ambitious.
Well, 3 o'clock between lunch parties and dinner parties.
You've got a lot of competition.
Yeah. Well, we're trying to fit ourselves in between lunch and other parties that are happening.
So. I noticed you say you got the best French wine. Yeah.
Did we put that?
I know. I know you.
Yeah, I probably did put it. I doubt if it's the best French wine you've ever had, but it's probably some. It's probably some pretty good wine, as the French usually do have good wine, and we're getting it from the organizers and the caterers at MIPIM, so I would imagine it's got to be pretty good. Otherwise, they wouldn't serve it. So it looks like at MIPIM, a lot happening there. We have extensive distribution of our magazines there, and if you're looking to reach people, visitors at MIPIM, our magazine is the best one to advertise in. So if you're not running anything yet in our magazine, you'd like to get to these attendees at MIPIM, let us know today, because tomorrow afternoon we are going to print with magazine. We can get any ads in, last minute ads. We've still got a couple really good locations I saw for potential advertising.
Still squeeze some people in.
Yeah, sure. Good. All right, excellent. Also, our SEE Awards coming up soon, April 6th. Almost sold out, going very well. Looks like we've almost a lot of new investors coming from abroad to come and see the region and to come to the event. So a couple tables left on that, and one or maybe one sponsorship still available. I'm not sure if it's gone yet, but give us a call. We have that coming up April 6th at the Radisson Blu, which is just phenomenally great hotel, and a lot of fun for that. And then, of course, we got to squeeze in a few more things before summer. We've got our, to kick things off, May 11th, we have our CEO Awards at the Hilton in CEO nomination launch party at the Hilton in Belgrade. The 18th, a lot of fun in Prague. We're doing our networking event for retail for CE and SEE. At Slovansky Dom, Marketplace-CEE in Prague on the 18th. And then on the 25th, 25th of May, we have our Baltic Awards up in Sopot, which is between Gdynia and Gdansk. Great hotel. We're doing it at the Sheraton there. And really a lot of investors coming in from Scandinavia, the Nordics, Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, and of course Poland and Denmark and Germany. So we want you to come along to that. And so then a lot going on, and we'll jump over. I know Winston's got to get back to work, so we'll take a little break and we'll come back with Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief, and the news. Welcome back, and Winston, great to see you. I'm glad you cut away from the magazine for a few minutes to let us know what's going on the news side.
Oh yeah, you can't miss the highlights for the day, Craig.
Absolutely,
you've got to get them out there.
Yeah.
People know what's going on. They can't wait till MIPIM.
Yeah, no, it's too late then.
So we'll start in the hotel sector in Poland, and the Radisson Hotel Group has opened its 18th hotel, and this is the first Radisson Blue hotel in Ostrava,
Okay.
and this is in the Missouri district. So it's located right on the lake there. So it's nice location for a hotel.
Yeah.
And that's it's got 238 rooms, lobby bar, 2 restaurants, several leisure facilities, including aqua park, sports pool, water slides, shallow pool, bowling alley. Yeah, it's offering a spa and treatment rooms, VIP zone, and steam rooms, and it's got 2,300 square meter event room. So it's offering an awful lot.
Wow. Sounds like a resort.
Yeah, it does sound like it's actually called the Radisson Blue Resort. So
Okay. So it is resort. It's good they called it that. Yeah.
And it's probably going to be pretty busy, I would imagine.
And that's in Ostrava?
Yeah,
Okay.
Ostrada.
Okay, because Ostrava, I was thinking Czech.
In the Lake District.
Okay, up by Missouri. Great.
In Missouri. So, there's something to look out for this coming summer.
Maybe they should invite us. We could come do a hotel review one weekend.
Maybe you can do an awards event around there.
Could be.
Staying in Poland and coming to the capital in Warsaw, and the mayor of the city, Rafał Trzaskowski, as he announced last week that Warsaw plans an additional 5 metro lines, and by 2050.
5 metro lines.
5 metro lines by 20 plan.
Plan
5 metro lines, and it's hoped to connect all 18 districts of the capital by 2050. And they've only got 2 at the moment, which. I think they're coming to the end of the second one. They're still developing the second one.
I think I rode on the first one time. Yeah, good.
You've been on the metro.
I think I was on the first one they did. I think. Yeah.
Wow.
So yeah, I guess by 2050, I'll. God, what year are we in now?
2050,
that's 27 years away.
Yeah.
These guys are planning far out, aren't they?
Yeah.
27 years.
You'll have the Metro Line Awards by 2050.
No kidding. I'll be riding the metro. Oh, gosh. I'll have to check that out 5 in 2050. They'll be back.
Be a lot of changes by 2050, I would imagine. And staying in the capital, and Panattoni is developing continue to develop its portfolio around the capital, and it's just completed a development of almost 40,000 square meters of its city logistics park, Warsaw 4 project in Anopol, and half of this space has been taken up by the company Triumph. And this production plant is to serve the markets that include the US, Japan, Korea, and China. And Panattoni's industrial space deliveries around the capital are around 2 million square meters now. So they've developed a significant chunk of this last mile logistics
around Warsaw. Great job.
Around Warsaw. And according to Marek Dobrzycki, he's the managing partner at Panattoni, Anopol has for the last 10 years been an industrial hub and a very important center for industry, with production plants that have played a crucial role in the region. And finally, for today, Cushman & Wakefield is expanding its ESG services and team, and its new ESG hub of experts from various business lines will be led by Katarzyna Lipka, and in partnership with Ilona Otka. And the ESG hub will deliver and expand its services for Cushman & Wakefield's clients in cooperation with the firm's global network of ESG and sustainability specialists.
Wow, great. Good to see that. Not surprising, Cushman's building on that,
Yeah, ESG is all the rage these days, and the global awareness is growing.
Right. Well, thank you all for watching today's Coffee with Craig, and we will see you on Friday. One more day, Friday morning. We'll see you tomorrow for the final and wrap up of the week of the Coffee with Craig show. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.